Mmm. Ma, Kesari is yum.
Thank you.
Kesari, or popularly what people here in North call as halwa, suji ka halwa, is possibly the most popular sweet made in India, especially North India. Because, it's very easy to make. Suji is available in all homes. Suji and sugar or jaggery is available in all homes. And second, it is offered as prasad, So you go to any bhandaras, langas around here, you will find along with puri sabji, they give halwa.
Yeah. And we celebrate with sweet only, no?
Absolutely. So, and it's very easy to make. And Uma makes it in minutes.
Yeah, I think this must be the sweet that I have made maximum number of times, Raghu.
Well, it's so good. Especially from the time she started making it with jaggery. I'm really enjoying it.
Yeah, I also like it, Raghu, because it becomes guilt-free. And today I'm going to share lots of tips and tricks to make this dessert quickly, at the same time, easily.
So while I'm enjoying this kesari, suji ka halwa, you watch this video and you also make it for your family members and enjoy it.
Yeah, come, let's go to my kitchen and let's start cooking. Taken the measurement for rava, jaggery and ghee using one same cup. Okay, same measurement cup. So that is 1 cup of rava, 1 cup of jaggery and 3/4 cup of ghee. This is very important to remember. Use the same cup. And also I have taken some saffron in a cup. What I am going to do is I am going to add some hot water to it. Let it soak till we are going to add it to the kesari. This will give a good color and taste to the kesari. Now heat a pan. I am adding ghee, 2 teaspoons of ghee. And now add the broken cashews. Keep stirring. Slightly started to brown. So now I am going to add the grapes. Here I am adding black grapes. It gives great flavor and taste to the kesari. The dry fruits have roasted well. See how gorgeous it looks. It has puffed up beautifully. Now I am just setting it aside in a different cup. So now place the pan back on low flame. If you want, you can add 1 more teaspoon of ghee here, but I am going to use the amount of ghee is already there in the pan. Add the rava or the suji into the pan. Even if you are using roasted rava, for this still you roast the rava well again. This is an important step. Roasting the rava only is going to give you great rava kesari or suji ka halwa. The dry fruits, I just want to show you, it looks gorgeous. You can even use almonds. So roast it over low flame. So while you are roasting this, what I am going to do is, I am going to take the powdered jaggery. This is organic jaggery. So I am taking that, adding it to a pan. You can add it to a vessel. And I am going to add 1.5 cups. Again I am using the same cup. I am using hot water here, but you can use normal water. So 1.5 cups of water added to the jaggery powder. and I am placing it over medium flame. Now keep an eye on the rava also, keep roasting it. So I am doing this to save time. When we do it in parallel, it saves a lot of time. You can always melt the jaggery in advance and keep it ready also. So the rava is well roasted now. Now I am going to add water again in the same cup in which I measured the rava and the jaggery. So 1.5 cups of water. Add normal water. I am adding hot water, so it's spluttering a little. Add normal water, room temperature water, 1.5 cups. Because you have roasted the rava well, you can see that no lumps are getting formed. 1.5 cups. This measurement is important for you to get the right texture of the suji ka halwa. You can see the rava is cooked. It is also fluffed up because we have roasted it so well. I am cooking the rava over low flame. Now what we are going to do, I am going to add the jaggery water. In case you are using regular jaggery, you can use a filter the water and add it into the rava mixture. Now mix it well so that there are no lumps at all. Beautiful it looks already. Now comes the adding of ghee. So I am going to add around 1, 2, 3 and 4 teaspoons of ghee. If you want to skip the ghee part, I have already shared a vegan version of this suji ka halwa on my blog. You can check the recipe out. I am going to share it in the description box below. Now keep mixing the ghee well. It's absorbed, the rava has absorbed all the ghee. Look at the texture, looks beautiful already. Now I am adding the soaked saffron water and also the cardamom powder. Mix it well. You can see how beautiful it is. There is no lumps at all. Now I am going to add the roasted dry fruits and also the remaining ghee. For suji ka halwa, the amount of ghee you add, it will keep absorbing and the halwa will taste yummy, but I am not adding too much of ghee here. But still this halwa tastes amazing. See, it's non-sticky, it doesn't stick to the pan at all. Beautiful. Now we are going to add the dry fruits. Mix and incorporate it well into the kesari. That's it, I'm switching off. Our delicious kesari is now ready to be served. So you saw how easy it was to make the suji ka halwa or the rava kesari using jaggery. I hope all the tips was useful for you and you will try out this recipe immediately. Do try and share your feedback with me. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking! Before you go, do like, comment and subscribe to MasterChef Mom.